Well, greetings and good morning, Business 88 students. This is Mr.D, and this is week number 16 in our 18-week course in business communications here at Chaffey College. And this week, we're going to be looking at Chapter 10 on proposals and formal reports. Good news, we only have one more week of instruction, and then the following week is our final exam. And so you're getting very close to being finished here, but you do have a couple of things. One is the mock interview. So I think we only have one more date available for the mock interview, and I'll let you know about that here in just a second. But we're getting really close to the end, so keep up the good work, finish well. And there is no writing assignments at this point in the class. You've done them all, but you are welcome to go back and edit them anytime that you want to. If you don't like the score you got, you can take my comments and instruction I gave. You can update and edit your writing assignment and resubmit it for hopefully a higher score. So please take advantage of that. I'm going to go ahead and stop sharing my screen here. I'm going to go ahead and share our homepage in Canvas. So here we are, just to go over these last few weeks of assignments. We're in module number 3. We're wrapping it up quickly. And so here we are, module 3, week 14. So that's where we're at. Actually, we're not. We're week 16. So scroll down. Here we go. All right. So you have a check-in assignment with some questions from chapter 10, like we've been doing every week. You have your PowerPoint chapter 10 as well. So make sure you read that as well as the chapter. You have a quiz on chapter 10 as well. And then we are continuing our final discussion post. So that's something that we're working on as well. I need to change the date on that. And then we have our next mock interview. So it's going to be this Thursday at 10 a.m. And it's actually not just our next, it is our final. I think I got most of you already. I have already done it. You're done. You're not worried about any large assignment. There's a few of you who are stragglers out there who have not yet done this. And this is way easier, in my opinion, than writing a 5-page proposal, which is the other option that you have. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. And that is going to be made available to the students on May 5th. I'm going to go ahead. That's today at noon. So you should have saw that today to sign up. But that is the last date that you can sign up for a mock interview. If you choose not to do it or it doesn't work out for your schedule, we had already done 5 other interviews. So you would have to then write a proposal. And I'll show you that in just a second. So as we scroll down, again, back to week 14 or 16. So we have the discussion post there. Make sure you complete that assignment. That's really what you should have already done to write your resume and cover letter, was to complete this assignment. And then we have the mock interview. And then going into next week, all we have is a check-in assignment. There's no other assignments. So this final discussion post will move to that week, and there is no chapter or no quiz to cover, but we still have the mock interview. Now, if you chose not to do the mock interview, maybe I should move this here. There's a final writing assignment, and notice it says if you choose not to do the mock interview. So this is your option. It says 0 points because I'm going to take the points you earn from this assignment. I'm going to put them into the category of your mock interview. So that's where you'll see your grade, although I will put notes and things here as well. But basically it's 0 points, but the points will be put over to the other. This is a 200-point assignment, and basically you need to write a proposal, and it should be formatted like a proposal. It should be 4 to 5 pages long. It should be unsolicited, meaning that you're trying to persuade your manager or boss to do it. Here's the scenario down here, switching from laptops to tablets in your business and sales presentations. And so you have to do some research on both of those, laptops and tablets. You need to you make a convincing case for why your management should make that switch. So that's kind of the scenario. And it needs to be 4 to 5 pages long, and it should be very business looking. In other words, it should look like a business document with short single-space paragraphs, headings, bullet lists, pictures, graphics, tables, all that kind of stuff. In fact, it's required that you have at least one table representing data that you've found, etc. So that's the assignment if you choose not to do the mock interview. If you've already done the mock interview, you're done. There's nothing else you need to do other than the final check-in assignment, and then the last week, the final exam. And there is a post-test that's extra credit. So that's it. If you've not done the mock interview yet, you have Thursday this week to get it done. If that doesn't work for you, then you need to write the final writing assignment instead, and that'll be due on the last day of class. So, all right. Well, hopefully that makes sense, and you guys are winding up and finishing well. And I look forward to the last couple of weeks together. And if you need anything from me, please don't hesitate to reach out. But if not, have a great week, and you will see me all again on video next week. See you soon.